Hi everyone. Okay.
That's my little boy. He's helping me fix my arcade. Today I got a package in the mail. I ordered Pandora's Box 4 PCB board. We're going to open this up and take a look at it. And then I'm going to swap out this Pandora's Box arcade board for the one I got in the one I got inside this homemade arcade I built. I'm going to try to swap them out. So let's get started. I'm going to open this box up and see what we got. This says 645 games in one, Pandora's Box 4, multi-game board Jamma PCB arcade. That's what this says. So I guess that's what it's called. Let's see what we got here. Oh, this one appears to be in a lot better shape than my other board. Looks like it has a built-in VGA output directly. As where I have my setup now, I have to go through a VGA board converter. But that's as simple as this. Comes in a nice little, this is where the Jamma harness is going to fit, and looks like it's got a nice enclosure. Let me show you what I got in my arcade board. Here's inside my arcade, and this here's my pre-existing board. This here's my Jamma harness. Let me go get a light. It's kind of dark, hard to see in here. I'm gonna go get a flashlight. Okay, shine the light in here. We maybe see a little better. Still kind of hard to see, but basically all I'm doing is I'm gonna unplug this Jamma harness, which plugs right into the side of this board. Take off the 4 mounting brackets, and then I'm going to replace it with the new board. I hope that makes sense. So let me get started. I'm pulling the Jamma harness out. It's just a matter of slipping off this connector. Looks like that. There's a connector. It's going to plug right into the new board. Now I just got to unmount my old board. It's just got 4 screws. There's one. I'll hold that screw for Daddy.
Yeah.
You want to hold that one? Okay. This here is my old Jamma board. I believe this was called a Happy Fish 2. It's got a lot of games on it as well. That's the old board. Now I got to mount the new board. Okay, got some screws in the side, getting ready to mount this into the side of my cabinet and plug this in. Yeah, like I said, that's what it looks like. Pandora's Box 4. Well, it's got 2 screws in. I think that'll be enough to hold it. Just put the top 2 screws in. Ought to be good. I'm going to plug this in and see if it works. Okay. Alright, moment of truth. I'm going to plug it in, see what happens. Okay, I got my new board. It was just a matter of unscrewing some screws and plugging in that harness. As I was saying, there's the VGA connector. Well, right now it's wired through a VGA converter board. So I have that VGA right there going to my TV. So it should work. But yeah, I'm gonna test it out, see what happens. But there's my Jamma board, Jamma harness where I wired all the buttons and everything. There's my VGA converter, there's my power supply, there's my power supply right there. First player, second player, start, and these are my coin buttons. And I got a little speaker, tiny little speaker mounted right here. I don't have an on-off switch. I need to put one on my arcade, but when I want to turn it on or off, I just unplug it. Let's see what happens. Oh, there goes something. No signal. Huh. Well, that's not good. Oh, I guess I'm gonna bypass that VGA converter board. Don't touch anything, son. This is. I guess what I'm gonna have to do is I'm just gonna unplug that VGA cable and plug it in over here and see if that gets it to work. So let me do that real quick. You guys don't need to see that. I'm gonna shut down the power. Okay, I'm going to try this again. And as you can tell, I unhooked my VGA converter, plugged it directly into to right here. So I'm going to give it another shot. See what happens. Oh, there it goes. Working now. Let's see what we got here. Hold on, buddy.
I want to do Metal Slug. I want them to watch this.
There's Metal Slug.
Yeah, let's play Metal Slug.
Hold on, buddy. Daisy's looking for something. Daisy wants to find a game that I know will check all the buttons.
The Metal Slug uses almost all the buttons.
Yeah. Got a lot of games.
I want to play Metal Slug.
We can play that. We'll play that in a minute. There's The Simpsons.
Magic Sword. Knights Around. What's that?
I don't know, buddy. We gotta look and see. Hold on a minute.
Ooh. I think that's
Buddy.
all the games they have.
No, there's about 65 pages of games. There's a lot of games. Got some RoboCop. Double Dragon. That's a cool game. Double Dragon 2, Double Dragon 3. There's Metal Slug 2 Plus, Metal Slug 6 Plus, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. That's a cool game. I think I ran out of time looking. Oh, here we go.
Street Fighter.
That's what I was looking for. That's the game I want.
Okay, let's play.
Well, that's pretty much Pandora's 4. Looks like it works, guys.